Some jobs on the homestead aren't particularly exciting. One of them is renewing our gravel walkways. We use gravel over landscape fabric to keep weeds down. You can see some of the landscape fabric right where I'm pouring the gravel. The gravel moves around, the sun will damage the landscape fabric, so we need to cover it up. We had 10 yards of decorative gravel dumped at our property 10 years ago. We've been using it ever since to cover our walkways. I try to get out every year to renew gravel in places that have been wearing bare. I've needed to repair this for a few months. Today's the day. I hope you've enjoyed this 3-minute video. Look for another one every Thursday.